Hey lovey, so today I will be showing you some organization items that I got from Amazon to reorganize the kitchen. Either you have a small space or you're renting, or even if it's your own home, these are the perfect solution to just get everything organized and easily accessible for you, which will make your life and your family's life a lot more easier. They are affordable finds. Everything I got was under $30 or actually under $20. I will leave everything linked in the description box down below, and you can also check out my Amazon storefront for the products that I have included in today's video. And I am starting off with these cutting board organizers. They come in a set of 2. They are 5 slots each. They are durable. The slots are huge. As you can see, it can be used in your cabinets, or you can use it on your countertops to keep everything organized, and it just has made my life so much more easier. And instead of constantly keep pulling stuff out and taking everything out to reach to something that I want, I can easily just pull it out and just slide it back in, and I love it. Next I have these magnetic spice racks, but they can be used for a variety of different stuff, not just spices. They come with 4 pieces and these hooks that are perfect for hanging your pot mittens or utensils, you name it. They are easy to be removed and can put back easily, and there's no setup required. Also, you can use it on any magnetic surface in your home, so not just your refrigerator. It can be used in your laundry room, on your stove, etc. Wherever magnetic in your home, you can hang it on. And as you can see, I can use it to store my seasonings, my juices that I have no cabinet spaces for, or just whatever. Or you can even use it to store your cleaning products. As you can see as I go further down in the video, I love these things, and they were so affordable.
I'm changing who I am. I'm making a new plan.
These acrylic napkin holders are perfect for organizing. They're not just for storing napkins. They come in 2 different sizes, square or rectangle. They are durable, and as you can see, I've used it to organize my medications in the kitchen. You can use it so many different areas around your home. As you continue to watch, I'm going to show you different ways you can utilize it throughout your home and not just in your kitchen. And as I said before, again, they're not just for storing napkins. I love them, and again, they are so affordable. And it is just so cute. These adjustable spice racks are perfect for on your countertops or even in your cabinet. They extend and they just hold a ton. It's easy to set up, less than a minute, and it can hold so much. As I said before, it can fit different cabinet spaces and your countertop. So if you're short on pantry space or spaces in your counter to store foods and pantry stuff, you can use this for it. You can put your tin stuff, your seasonings, I've used it to store. I'm showing you different things that you can put on it and different ways you can use it in the video, so just stick around. Again, it was super affordable. I believe it was under $20. I can't remember, but as again I said before, everything will be linked in my description box. Definitely go and check them out. They are so affordable and an easy way to keep everything organized and easily accessible. And if you use it in the cabinet, no more pulling stuff out just to get to reach the stuff in the back. You can just easily stretch over and everything is easily accessible to you and so convenient. And don't forget to check out the description box for all the products that I include in today's video, and my Amazon storefront for something that I might not have included, but I have so much listed and I had stuff weekly there.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by you.
So the oil sprayer bottle, I got this and the rotator off Temu. So this one is not Amazon Prime, but I also leave a link in the description box. And it's a lazy Suzan you can use to store so many different stuff. I also got these card organizers off Amazon. These can be used to store so much. This tray for your dishes and cups is 3-tier, but my cabinet cannot fit anything on the top, but you could put it under the bottom cabinet, and I'm sure you can utilize it for so many more stuff like your mugs and cups and stuff. I got this over the door hook that I use to keep my mittens and pot holder and stuff. You can also add utensils and other stuff on the hook. I picked up this 5-tier tray off Amazon. You can use it for fruits and vegetables, toys, so much more stuff. I've used it for a bunch of different stuff, and I love the drip tray that comes underneath it. It makes cleaning up so much easier. Here's another piece of the 5-tier tray that I put on the counter to store just watermelon and cantaloupes and stuff. These baskets with the lids are not from Amazon, but you can find them on Amazon. They're actually from Dollar Tree, and I've used them to store my lids. If you've watched my cleaning videos, you've seen it before. It makes it so much easier. I picked up this black thing, and these are perfect for keeping your utensils in the jar organized. And other option of on the countertop, if you don't have enough jar space, these pull out things. This one comes in a set of 3, and I love the fact that it comes with a smaller piece, because as you can see underneath, the kitchen sink has a garbage disposal, which makes it hard to keep 2 of the huge ones in underneath there. So I have one small piece and one of the big pieces, and it just makes everything look so much more organized and allows me to keep more stuff under there and easily accessible. And I use the smaller piece, as you can see, the garbage disposal, to store my trash bags and stuff. And I love that it comes with these little hooks and bins that you can also add additional stuff. And I have a basket for the microfiber cloth and cleaning cloths that I use under there. Easy, affordable organization, everything from at a Dollar Tree, Temu, or Amazon. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't yet. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know which item is your favorite and which one would you be getting, and let me know if you like videos like this. I can definitely do more, and I will see you in my next one. Until next time, guys, have a blessed day, blessed week, blessed month, and a fabulous year. I love y'all.